End screens, how to suggest a video at the end of your video to funnel people where you want them. That's what we talk about today. Here we go.
Now this is the new YouTube Studio dashboard. For you to add videos to your end screen, click on videos on the left hand side. You will need to select the video that you're adding an end screen to. We're going to be using this one. You can add info cards and end screens using the little boxes down here, cards and end screen, but those go to classic mode and they will disappear soon. So I suggest you use the editor on the left hand side. Now to add a video element to your end screen, click add an end screen. You can pick between any of these templates. I suggest using blank for now, and you'll see 4 blank boxes show up here. Click any of these and click video. It will give you the option of choosing your most recent video, and it will auto update every time you upload a new one. Best for viewer, what it will do is look at the behaviour of that person's recent watch history and will suggest a video that is best suited for them. Or you can choose a very specific video that you want to direct them to. In this case, I'm going to choose a very specific video. It pops up all the videos from your channel, or you can search any specific video on YouTube you want. So should you be linking to Roberto Blake or Gary V or myself, that kind of thing. Once you pick a video, it will show up in the mock-up in the top right hand corner. You can drag it around the screen to wherever you want, and down in the bottom right hand corner you can drag when it shows up in the last 20 seconds of the video. This is so that you can point at it when you need to, when you're doing your call to action. When you're ready, you click save and you are done. If you want to learn how to add subscribe links, external links and playlists, click on the playlist on the left hand side.